1823 Pelham is here to usher an end to your seemingly never-ending hunt for the ideal student accommodation in the vibrant city of Los Angeles. Nestled near the Santa Monica Highway, this accommodation pampers you with the perfect blend of privacy and a spirit of camaraderie with a fully furnished range of 3, 4, and 5-bedroom apartments, each room featuring plush beds and ample storage space to elevate your stay to the next level of comfort. Plus, you will also enjoy access to balconies, laundry, and parking facilities, adding that extra layer of convenience to your everyday life. What's more, enjoy a worry-free stay with inclusive bills covering electricity, heating, water, and Wi-Fi. With the University of California and Antioch University just a short drive away, you'll never miss a lecture. And when it's time to take a break from the books, explore the delectable dining options, whether it's a meal at a suka, Shamshiri Grill, Dim Sum House, Sun and Lebanese Cafe, or La Bruschetta. Los Angeles has something for every palate. Plus, commuting will be a breeze with convenient bus stops and transit stations being just minutes away. If this checks all your boxes, don't wait. Head over to amberstudent.com right now to secure your perfect stay at 1823 Pelham in the dynamic and thriving city of Los Angeles.